So let's see what's happening with lab. Uh, all right. So yesterday we were on that. What do you call? Yesterday we saw the breakdown, and what was going on was an ascending channel, but it completely became a bear flag, and then we completely broke down. Right now, what is happening is it's in a range, and there is fair value gap around. This area, which is around 15,600 to 15,300, and that is where my indicators mid range on 15-minute stays as well, and that's giving me a sign that it might drop down from while after a retest from 15,400. So uh, 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 funding fee is slightly negative, very negative. So if you like put a short now, it will keep creating bigger losses within funding fee itself. So I think there is a you might have to wait for a retracement around 15.3, and then you might have to uh, do another positioning. So let's say 1 hour. I would say 15-minute. Let's also shows a bullish divergence. So we might see a retracement unless and until I see bearish divergence on 5 minute or 15 minute. Shorting again doesn't seem like a good idea. Let's look at daily. Daily still looks like first it dropped down, now it's retesting, and it looks like it completely rejected and it created a semi triangle on my indicator. And you all know what that means. That means uh, the overall pump was a retest, not an actual pump. So um let's see what happens. So we might have to wait for 15,600, and then see what happens from there, and we might have to then take another position from there. So daily looks bearish, weekly looks bearish, and there is a waiting time because when it's a funding rate is negative, you might lose more money while being on a early position, I would say. So there was a breakdown on weekly. So and after the breakdown, it completely like went up like crazy, and retested the previous, not completely high, but the semi triangle previous high, and now we may have a chance to go further down. So we might have to wait a bit to see for it to reach that specific test line, and then we'll see what happens from there.